Hello guys, it is Usage series, and in this session I want to discuss partial correlation. And what is partial correlation? Previously I've discussed how to perform correlation analysis in SPSS using Spearman and Pearson tests. Spearman and Pearson tests can measure the correlation between two numerical or quantitative variables, but what if there is a confounding factor preventing the correlation being significant? If you want to attenuate the effect of the confounder, then you must use a partial correlation. For example, I have three groups of patients receiving placebo drug A and drug B here, and I want to measure, for example, the correlation between age and the number of adverse effects in this study. But I assume that the gender of patients, being a male or female, is interfering with the correlation analysis. If I want to attenuate the effect of gender in this analysis, I must use the partial correlation. So let's begin. First, I show you again the correlation without removing the confounder. So I must use analyze here and then correlate and then bivariate. So I've entered age and the number of adverse effects here, and then I've chosen Pearson because my dataset is following a normal distribution pattern, and then I choose OK. As you see here, the p-value is 0.634, and the Pearson correlation shows correlation coefficient is minus 0.1. Then I want to attenuate the effect of gender in this analysis, so I must use analyze and then correlate and partial. As you see here, I have entered age. You can enter easily like this. You click age and then this icon, age, and the adverse effects in this box, variables, and I have entered gender. I click gender and then enter it here for controlling for. Controlling for means attenuating the confounder. I choose two-tailed and then OK. After removing the effect of gender, the controlled variable, I can see still the analysis is not statistically significant, and the correlation coefficient remained minus 0.1. You can use more than one confounder to be entered in this partial correlation analysis, and it is on you to choose which one of them. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget like, subscribe and comment. We have also a scientific English editing service, Editing Masters, which receives orders from authors who want their manuscripts to be published in high-impact journals. If you wish the same, you can send your manuscript to this email address for language editing. See you soon.